friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today let's see how to make this beautiful silhouette painting for Valentine's Day. The super easy and super fast painting would make an ideal wall art as well as an ideal school craft too. So let's go ahead and learn the step-by-step procedure of making this super easy, beautiful silhouette painting for Valentine's Day. Friends, let's start our painting by taking a 8-inch circle canvas and prepare the canvas by painting a base coat with white acrylic paint and keep it to dry completely. Next, let's take a round object and make a circle in the center with pencil. Taking the white acrylic paint, let's paint the circle again with white color. Let's mix red and white to prepare a light pink shade. Let's merge the light pink color with the white circle. Now let's make a darker shade of the pink color and merge that too with the earlier light pink. Again, let's add one more darker shade of the pink and merge it too. Now let's add a layer of red. Lastly, let's add maroon color on the edges by mixing black and red together. Merge that too with dry brush. Color the edges too with the same maroon color. Keep it aside to dry completely. Once it is dried, let's take a black marker and mark some lines as the tree branches. One branch let's make going through the center of the canvas on the white circle as shown. We are going to make the birds on this branch, and the birds should come inside the white circle which we have painted as the moon. Now let's make the birds on the branch inside the moon circle. Continue making the branches coming from one side of the canvas. Now let's paint the branches with black acrylic paint with a thin round brush. Also fill the birds completely as shown. Taking the white acrylic paint, let's make flowers over the branches, placing dots and pulling it inside, making 5 to 6 petal flowers. Make such random flowers all over the branches as shown. Let's add some light pink flowers too in between. Also some leaves with black color. Lastly, let's make the heart shapes above the birds. This completes our Lovebirds silhouette painting for Valentine's Day. Hope you all liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe.